Cleaning has its own risk also. You got to understand there's a lot of debris that is accumulated over years in most places. Then they have not been cleaned for 2 years, 3 years, sometimes even 5 years. Now we wouldn't want that system, dirt from that system, to come into the occupational area. So that's the precaution we need to take. The first thing you need to do is pressurize the duct system. Ensure that all the dirt and dust and debris that will leak out once you agitate and start cleaning goes into your control path, and the exhaust system should be with an HEPA filter. So you are filtering the air coming out of the duct up to 99.97%. Only 0.03 micron will go through. It's much cleaner than anything you have seen. It's hospital grade. Then you can start cleaning. Cleaning could be, you could use robots, you could use brushes, you could use air whips, high-speed air nozzle. The objective being is to either push or pull everything towards your negative air machine.